big LOL bubbly surprise. So let's get opening. There we go. Rip it up, girl. Here it is. Whoa. So we have these balls.
Oh, there you go. Okay,
Oh, I
so
got
everybody
them.
has two.
Yes.
All right, well, we'll see what those are.
A bath ball.
Oh, my goodness. Oh, okay.
There it is.
Okay,
Yeah.
do y'all want to go ahead and open those? And see what's inside?
Yeah.
Okay, open it.
I can. Whoa. I can. Whoa. It's just. Oh, it's banana sand.
Oh, my goodness. Show everybody what it is.
It's a mermaid tail. A silver mermaid tail. I can play with this banana
We'll put that
sand
right
all
there.
day.
Okay, I'm going to bring it.
Whoa.
Show everybody what you have, Morgan.
A mermaid tail.
A mermaid tail. Kinetic sand. Okay, Livy Lou, here's yours. Let her open the actual bubble.
Another kinetic sand. You're so cute. I got diaper pants. Oh.
Let's see.
Can somebody open
Oh, this looks like it's a pair of pants for an LOL.
Wait,
Okay, so
you want this one?
okay, good job. So right now, Morgan has a little bathing suit
And
in the mermaid tail. So I wonder what we're gonna have. Olivia has like a dress top and
obviously.
a little outfit bottom.
I can help you, Aubrey. Thank you. I like it. Like this sand.
Whoa, that's cute. Look at that one. Here you go. You keep that one, okay? I have filled up a container full of water. We're gonna put this in there. Everybody, put there. Ready? Set. All right. Whoa! Oh my goodness! Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness! There it is.
Oh, it's foam. It's
It feels like foam.
Yeah. Wow. Wow, it's bubbling on me. Feels so good.
Let Olivia touch it. What it feel like, Olivia? Like soda? Let mommy feel it. Oh, it's all bubbly on my hands. Oh,
How about we put some sand in it?
not yet.
Oh,
Is it cracking yet? Let's see what it looks like so far.
okay.
Oh, that is a jewel.
Wow, my sand. Sand.
We're all gonna open it and find out what's going on.
Maybe there's 3 LOLs
Do you see
inside.
what's in here?
No, there's actually. Ooh, it's done. Whoa, look at the water. Look at this. Look at this. It's a heart.
You got it? Wow. Okay, let's see.
See what's inside.
How do you open it? Right here?
Yes.
Okay, give everybody a pack. Okay, we're gonna open the pack. So that was the thing inside of the bubble, and you open it and it had 3 packs.
That's why it's so hard to open. Wet. Ew. Oh,
bubble, Aubrey.
Okay. It's a puppy. It's a mermaid. This is a floating. Look.
Let's see, what did you get? Okay, Olivia's putting on the top. Let's see, Olivia. All right, put it on. And do you have a bottom part, Morgan?
This is the bottom.
Oh, that's the bottom. Oh, that's a whole bathing suit. Okay. You packing your sand, Aubrey?
Yeah.
Okay, keep packing it in there. Let's see if you can get all of it in there. Aubrey has a lot of sand she has to put in there. You gonna do it? All right, let's see.
No.
Or one of these.
He has shoes.
Do you have shoes?
Yeah.
Okay, you can put on her shoes, okay? You got it going over there, Aubrey?
Yeah.
All right. Just a little bit more.
Yeah, I can help you. Can
Okay, you want me to help? Let's see.
I got a motor.
Now, these things are kind of hard to put in there because they're so small. But I got it. There you go, guys. The bathing suit. Got a little bathing suit on. Okay, Morgan, now it's time for you to put on the shoes. Can you put her shoes on?
My shoes.
She's gonna put the shoes on the Barbie and the LOL, and we're gonna see what she looks like. Finishing product.
And then we're gonna whip.
And then everybody can play with it.
Yeah.
Yep.
I'm gonna play with my sand.
Oh, okay.
I'll get a double.
You got it on there? Let me see. Good job. So here's the finished product, guys.
Yay.
Mwah! Mwah! Hi, AC fam. I love you out there. Mwah! All right, everybody.
Bye. Hey, AC fans! If you want to watch more videos, hit the subscribe button, give us big thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. Bye.
Okay, everyone. So I hope you enjoyed Morgan's first unboxing with her cousins. They will be making their debuts here and there. But Morgan thought it was fun to have them in a video with her. And so I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you liked the video, don't forget to do what Morgan told you to do. Hit the like button, give us 2 thumbs up, 3 thumbs up, 4 thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification button, because that will let you know when we post new videos. So the review for me with this unboxing was, it's a great gift, especially for someone who likes the LOL dolls, because it has the surprises like always. So they unboxed different things. It came with 6. It comes in this cute little container. And I think it was about $19 to $20. So it comes with 6 of the little bubbles. They come in 2 different colors. And each little bubble has some kind of outfit in it. So here's an outfit, or it has some kind of accessory. So this is a bottle. And then they had a cute little kitty. The big, I want to say it was kind of like a bath bomb. So this was covered in the bath bubbly fizz stuff that the bath bombs are made of. And when we submerged it in the water, it fizzed all the way until we reached this. So when we opened this, that's where it had 3 extra bags in it. And she came in one of the bags, and then 2 accessories came with it. So there was 3 bags in here. In 3 3 of these bubbly things. There was sand, kinetic sand. I thought it was a bit messy, but I think sand inside a house is messy. So that's my personal opinion with that. If you don't mind sand, then you just probably want to have a container to have the sand in to play with. We have used a big plastic container that we bought from Home Depot, and we had the sand in that at one time and just closed it back up. And there are some that's at Walmart that have tops to them, and when Morgan was smaller or younger, we had kinetic sand in that so that we could just put the top back on it. So there's ways to get around it not being so messy. Morgan and her friends are old enough right now where they're pretty good at keeping this contained and clean. So overall, I thought the gift was a very good gift. I thought it was awesome. I think it is a great birthday gift or a Christmas gift for any body out there that likes the LOL surprises. So you do get a LOL doll, you get some accessories, and then you get some kinetic sand with it. Again, this is called the LOL Surprise Bubbly Surprise. Okay? And that is it for my review. I like it. I would give it probably for kids maybe a 4 out of 5 stars. So that's pretty good. I think I like it enough to give it 4 out of 5 stars. 4 out of 5. Not bad at all. We like it, LOL. What can I say? The AC fam likes LOL. See you next time at our next unboxing.